right, so we're standing here in a bed of pansies. These are cool season annuals for us here in the South. We plant these en masse for seasonal color, and they have been uprooted from the soil. And so we came down here to investigate, and it seems that deer from the surrounding outskirts of the area here have come in and nibbled these plants. You can see here where they've completely eaten all of the above ground portion of that plant and pulled these inserts right out of the ground. So you can see entire root balls, and some of these plants, I don't know if they lost taste for them after they had a few, but they had a great time just yanking them out of the ground and throwing them around. So I don't have a lot of good solutions on how to prevent this, just generally speaking in the landscape, but if you catch them soon enough, you can just replant them. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right here. So you can see here we've got a plant that has a root ball that's intact and has only been nibbled a little bit here on the top. There is still some good foliage and even blooms, and we're just going to nestle those back in the ground. We had a rain last night, so there's a lot of moisture in the soil. I don't even think these will need to be watered in.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.